Hey there, are you struggling to get targeted traffic you need to make money online? If so, you are not alone and you have come to the right place. It's 𝕝𝕚𝕚𝕜 here and we have discovered a way to get boatloads of free traffic that virtually nobody is talking about. Little do they know, it's an untapped traffic goldmine, a blue ocean with all the traffic one ever needs. After this shocking discovery, we developed a software that siphons traffic from this source at roadrunner speed. And now we're giving you the chance to access it. Introducing the world's first BoomZ. This software solves the biggest problem of all marketers: traffic. I mean, it's the lifeblood of any online marketer. It doesn't matter if you are building a list, selling your own products, selling affiliate products. No matter how you slice it, you need traffic. And thanks to BoomZ, traffic is a problem of the past. It works in simple 3 steps. Step number 1, choose a niche. Enter any keyword to select your niche. Step number 2, open the traffic floodgates. Tell us the link you want traffic sent to and click the Get Traffic button. And step number 3, watch as the traffic and sales flood in. It's a priceless feeling that never gets old. The best part? BoomZ doesn't require you to make videos, spam social media, make your own content, no nonsense. And you don't need a domain name, hosting server, autoresponder, nor do you have to pay monthly for a website builder. You get the full package with BoomZ. You might be curious how much this will cost, so let's address that. You see, BoomZ is a one-of-a-kind software that gets traffic within minutes of work. You could call it priceless software, which means we could easily get away with charging $997 or more for BoomZ. But we want this to be accessible to the little guy, so you won't pay anywhere near $997. Not even $297. Not $97. Not even $37. You will pay a low one-time investment for a copy of BoomZ by clicking one of the buttons on this page below this video. But you must act now because we will be raising the price very soon. Why wait and pay more? Anyway, here is everything you are getting with BoomZ. You are getting the BoomZ software, 3 done-for-you BoomZ traffic hubs. Activate them and start getting traffic right out of the gates. Step-by-step training. We want your experience to be smooth sailing, and that's why we are giving you free training with your purchase and access to a world-class support team. Experience any issues? Hit us up. We will be happy to help you out. Wow, that's a lot of goodies, right? It gets even better, which is because we are going to take all risks off our shoulders by giving you unconditional money-back guarantee. If you experience any issues with BoomZ, simply open a support ticket, and if we can't make things right, we'll send you every penny back. With a smile, no questions asked. It doesn't get any better or easier than this. If you want to use a solution like BoomZ, now is the time to act. It's risk-free, and this is perfect for both beginners and more experienced marketers. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get your copy of BoomZ before the price rises, and we'll see you inside.